Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So recently I'm always trying to find these little carnival ride motorcycles, and I was able to locate this back in the Midwest, bought it, had it shipped out here. When I bought it, it was basically disassembled and somebody was going to do a restoration on it, but all the parts were there. So when it came in, I put it all back together, then we started fabricating everything up. There was a lot of garbage on this thing that we cut off because it just wasn't appropriate. There was an extra seat on here that was really super ugly. It was almost like a child's car seat or seat for a bicycle. We trimmed this all up, made it look as though it should. They replicated this off of an Indian motorcycle. That was their whole objective and goal, which I think they did a fabulous job. When you look at the fenders, the seat, the tank, everything was very nice. So once we fabbed it all up, got it all ready, then we knocked it all down. I sent the paint out to my professional car painter. He did it in a jet black, then he did it in a clear coat, then we color sand, buffed it, had our pen striper come in and do the striping. All the chrome went out for triple chrome plating, bright chrome. As you see, we put the really cool running lights on here, or your fog lights, chrome tips. The wheels both spin. 1950s. This would have went on a carousel and went around in the 50s. So they were very extensive about the way that they built these. Motor got sandblasted. Then what I did was I had a nice cast iron black stand, or it was cast iron. I did it in powder coat. So it's a gloss black powder coat stand, gloss black frame, gloss black wheels, all in powder coat. Fenders, tank, car paint, color sand, buff. Sent all the chrome out. These are nicely spring loaded. Both of these super nice. It's got a 3-speed gear shifter knob on it. I put a nice vintage decal on here, which was from a Indian motorcycle dealership, which you will get a picture of. Note the phone number, it is period. This is super nice 1950s Indian motorcycle, carnival ride, fully restored. If you buy this, you will have a one-of-a-kind motorcycle in this color, because nobody does them the way we did them. We spared no expense. We put every nickel we could possibly get into it. As you'll see, it's got a beautiful brake light. The other thing that we did is we put it on a 6-volt transformer system. All the lighting is brand spanking new. And we did a nice dim lighting system on it, because if you have this in your home, you don't want a 12-volt light just shining. I mean, it's going to be really difficult on your eyes. So we dimmed it all down so that wherever you display it, it lights up nice and subtle. It's got beautiful leather grips on it. Super nice piece of vintage artwork. This is true artwork, folks. This is always going to be worth a ton of money. I hate to get rid of it, but I would love to own this. If I owned this, I'd build a little Indian motorcycle shop and put it in there as though it was either in a display showroom or if it was in a Indian motorcycle repair shop. Anyway, absolutely beautiful piece. And for those of you who are always chiming in our videos, we appreciate you watching them. You're always talking to us, tell us how much you like them, and we really appreciate that. And we'll keep doing them if you'll keep watching them. 1950s Indian motorcycle carnival ride, absolutely cool.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.